Is your Ford Ranger dropping your Apple CarPlay connection mid-drive? Let's fix those glitches in under 3 minutes. 80% of these connection drops aren't a hardware failure, but rather a simple handshake issue between your phone and the sync system. Before we start pulling apart the dashboard, we need to isolate the most likely suspects. Start by swapping your USB cable for a certified Apple original, as frayed cables are the #1 cause of intermittent signal loss. If the cable is fine, head into your iPhone settings to forget the Ford Ranger device and repair the connection from scratch. A master reset of the sync infotainment system is often the final step needed to clear out corrupted cache files. Most users find success with these simple steps, but if the unit continues to drop, you might be looking at a faulty USB hub. While a cable is cheap, replacing an APIM unit at the dealership can get expensive quickly, so exhaust your software options first. For advanced users, inspecting the USB hub module behind the dash is the next logical step before visiting a service center. Keep a basic set of plastic trim tools and an OBD-I scanner in your kit to handle these electronics diagnostics safely. Always remember that automotive electronics are sensitive to voltage spikes, so disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching any modules. If these steps fixed your connection, let us know in the comments below. Drive safe and keep that Ranger running smoothly.